Dear students, 12th standard accountancy, unit 3, accounts of partnership firms, fundamentals. Especially now we are going to discuss about interest on capital. Before that, what is the meaning of interest on capital? Okay, in case of partnership deed allowed interest on capital, okay, the capital amount carry interest, so that one is called interest on capital. Okay, so what is the meaning of interest on capital? First, capital is a, so whatever the owner or proprietor invested to his business, totally called capital. Okay, so that capital carry a interest. Okay, so that one is interest on capital. Okay, so this interest on capital calculated on the opening capital, not a closing capital. Okay, this is the interest on capital. This interest on capital related sums starting from our book, sum number 5, page number 113. Okay, sum number 5, page number 113. Okay, right, see the sum, page number 113. Mannan and Ramesh are share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2, and their capital on 1st April 2019 was Mannan 1,50,000 and Ramesh 1 lakh respectively, and their current account shows a credit balance of rupees 25,000 and 20,000 respectively. Okay, so Mannan and Ramesh share the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so 1st April 2018, the Mannan invested capital amount is 1,50,000 and Ramesh is 1 lakh. Then current account balance, current account credit balance is, first partner Mannan is 25,000, second partner Ramesh is 20,000. Okay, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum. Okay, for the year ending 31st March 2019, and so the journal entries. Okay, so the journal entries, so journal entries for interest on capital, right? The journal entries for interest on capital is, this is the format: journal entry, date, particulars, LF number, debit and credit. Okay, so 2019 March 31st, interest on capital journal entry is interest on capital account debit to concerned partners account. Okay, so concerned partners account here is to Mannan current account, to Ramesh current account. Okay, right, this interest on capital calculated on opening capital, so that's why here the Mannan amount is, the Mannan capital amount is 1,50,000 into 6 by 100. So this 6 by 100 treated as a rate of interest. So 6 by 100. So calculation amount is 9,000. Okay. Then Ramesh capital is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 6 by 100 is equal to 6,000. So Mannan capital account is a 9,000 and Ramesh capital account is a 6,000. Okay, capital account means interest on capital. So enter in journal form, interest on capital account debit to Mannan current account 9,000 in credit, to Ramesh current account 6,000. Okay, so 9,000 and 6,000, totally 15,000 will be debit in interest on capital account, interest on capital account. Okay, because every debit amount have a equal credit amount, every credit amount have a equal debit amount, so that rules is followed here. Okay, then immediately the interest on capital amount immediately transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, at the time the journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Okay, the interest on capital account totally in 15,000. So enter the debit and credit side 15,000. Okay, this is the answer of sum number 5. Okay, clear pa? Then sum number 6. Sum number 6 here in your page number, sum number 6, page number 114. See the sum part. Prakash and Supriya were partners who share profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Okay. Balance in their capital account on 1st April 2018 was Prakash 3 lakh and Supriya 2 lakh. Okay. 1st April 2018. This is the beginning date of accounting year. So Prakash capital amount is 3 lakh and Supriya capital amount is 2 lakh. Okay. On 1st July 2018, Prakash introduced additional capital of rupees 60,000. Okay. So 1st July, first partner of Prakash introduced additional capital of rupees 60,000. Supriya introduced additional capital of rupees 30,000 during the year. So here is missing date of additional capital. Okay. The calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2019 and show the journal entries. Okay. So this sum is likewise the before sum, but some information is added here. Okay. Here interest on capital, then first partner Prakash. So 1/4/2018 capital is rupees 3 lakh. Okay. So this 3 lakh amount carry interest. Okay. So 3 lakh into 6 by 100, 18,000. Okay. Then add this partner of Prakash introduced additional capital on 1st July. So 1st July is 1/7/2018 introduced additional capital rupees 60,000. So this 60,000 carry interest on capital. So 60,000 into 6 by 100 into 9/12. Okay. This 9/12 means is additional capital introduced date is July 1st. Okay. The accounting end of the month is 31st March. So from July to 31st March. So 9 months is completed. So that's why 9/12. So 12 means the number of months in the year 12. So 9/12. So 60,000 into 6 by 100 into 9/12. So 2,700. Okay. So opening capital carry interest is 18,000 and additional capital carry interest 2,700. So totally Prakash interest on capital amount is 20,700. Clear pa? That's the same method. Second partner is Supriya. Okay. The Supriya opening capital on 1/4/2018 is 2 lakh. So this 2 lakh rupees carry interest on capital. So 2 lakh into 6 by 100, 12,000. Okay. The Supriya also introduced additional capital rupees 30,000 without particular date. So in case of without any date at the time additional capital introduced, okay, we take calculation only 6 months. So that's why the calculation is 30,000 into 6 by 100. 6 by 100 means rate of interest into 6/12 means 6 months only. Okay. So 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 6/12, 900. Okay. So already 12,000 is available on interest on capital. Capital amount on 2 lakhs. So 12,000 there. Then 900. So totally Supriya interest on capital is rupees 12,900. Okay. Clear pa? So interest on capital calculation only completed here. Now journal entry. Journal entry is interest on capital account debit to Prakash capital account to Supriya capital account. To Prakash capital account to Supriya capital account. Okay. So to Prakash capital account already we calculated at the time of interest on capital. So 20,700. Okay. Enter in credit side. Then to Supriya capital account enter in credit side, not credit column. Okay. Then 12,900. Totally 20,700. Add 12,900. So totally 33,600. Enter in debit side. Okay. Debit. Interest on capital account debit. Okay. Right. So this amount immediately transferred to profit and appropriation account. So at the time the journal entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Okay. Clear pa? This is the sixth sum. Right. Then seventh sum in your book, page number 114, interest on capital. See the sum number 7, page number 114. The capital amount of Begum and Fatima on 1st January 2018. 1st January 2018. This is the beginning of accounting year. Showed a balance of 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. So partner Begum capital is 50,000 and Fatima capital is 40,000. Okay. On 1st October 2018, Begum introduced an additional capital of rupees 10,000. Okay. So 1st October means 1/10/2018. Okay. On 1st May 2018, Fatima introduced an additional capital of rupees 9,000. Okay. What's the question here? Calculate interest on capital at 4% per annum for the year ending 31st March December 2018. So simply ask what is the interest on capital. Okay. Right. Here Begum interest on capital, first partner Begum 1/1/2018 capital is rupees 50,000. So 50,000 carry interest. So 50,000 into 4/100, 2,000. Okay. Then add additional capital. Additional capital introduced on 1/10/2018, 10,000. So 10,000 into 4/100 into 3/12. What is the meaning of 3/12? What is the meaning of 3/12? Here is 1st October 2018. Okay. So this sum accounting end of the date is 31st December 2018. So 1st October to 31st December totally how many months? October, November, December. Totally 3 months. So 3/12. So 10,000 into 4/100 into 3/12. The answer is 100. Okay. So totally Begum interest on capital is 2,000 plus 100, 2,100. Okay. Clear pa? Right. Then come to the partner Fatima interest on capital. Okay. So Fatima opening capital is on 1/1/2000 rupees 40,000. So 40,000 carry interest on capital. So 40,000 into 4/100, 1,100. Okay. Add additional capital on 1/5/2018, 9,000. So 9,000 into 4/100 into 8/12. So what is the meaning of 8/12? So 1st May, okay, Begum introduced additional capital of rupees 10,000 on 1st May. Fatima introduced additional capital 9,000. Okay. So 9,000 Fatima 9,000 into 4/100, 9,000 into 4/100 into 8/12. Okay. Into 8/12. So that's why amount is 240. So Fatima interest on capital is 1,840. Okay. Right. Then this sum carry a this sum we must prepare the journal entry. This is uses for remember that journal entry. So that's why they were not asking this journal entry in question, but we prepare and practice this type of journal entry. So journal entry is interest on capital account debit to Begum capital account to Fatima capital account. Begum capital account in credit column 2,100 to Fatima capital account credit column 1,840. So totally 3,940 enter in interest on capital account debit. Okay. This amount immediately transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account debit 3,940 to interest on capital account 3,940. Okay. This is the sum number 7. Okay. Clear pa? Then sum number 8. Sum number 8, page number 114. Okay. Here from the See the sum part. From the following balance sheets of Subha and Sudha, who share profit and losses in 2:3. Okay, the profit and losses sharing ratios 2:3. Calculate interest on capital at 5% per annum. Okay, the question is calculate interest on capital at 5% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. Okay, so end of the date they were given balance sheet. So capital account Subha and Sudha, then current liabilities, here fixed asset, current asset. Okay, then drawing of Subha and Sudha during the year were 8,000 and 10,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 30,000. Okay, so this balance sheet appeared the capital account only closing capital. Okay, but opening capital calculated on the interest on capital calculated on the opening capital. Okay, so first we find out what is the opening capital. So that's why here calculation of opening capital. Okay, as usual format statement of affairs method, calculation of missing figure, that same method here. Then first partner is Subha and second partner is Sudha. Capital as on 31/12/2018. Okay, partner Subha is 40,000, Sudha is 60,000. Okay, as usual format, add drawings. So 8,000 first partner, second partner is 10,000. The adjusted amount is 48,000, second partner is 70,000. Okay, here less profit is already they were given 30,000. So this 30,000 distributed among the profit sharing ratio 2:3. Okay, so 2:3 divided by 2 plus 3 5. So 30,000 divided by 5. So 6,000. Okay, so 6,000 in case of converted ratio bar, 6,000 into first partner into 2. So 6,000 into 2, 12,000. Okay, profit of first partner Subha is 12,000. Okay, so 6,000 into sharing profit and losses ratio is second partner Sudha. Okay, so 6,000 into 3, 18,000. Okay, right. So adjusted amount is 40,000 not 48,000 less 12,000, 36,000. Here second partner is 70,000 less 18,000. Adjusted amount is 52,000. Okay, this is the capital as on 1/1/2018 treated as a opening capital. Now interest on capital is Subha. Okay, so 36,000 carry a 5% of interest on capital. So 5/100, 1,800. Clear up? Then second partner Sudha, 52,000 carry 5% on interest on capital. So 52,000 5/100 equal to 2,600. Okay, this is the answer of sum number 8. Clear pa? Then sum number 9. Sum number 9, page number same 114. This one is related to the A sum, but some more transaction is added in this sum. Okay, see the sum number 9, page number 114. From the following balance sheets of Rajan and Devan, who share profit and losses 2:1. Okay, ratios 2:1. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum. So interest on capital 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. Clear? Then balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. So end of the accounting date. Then liabilities. Then profit and capital, profit and loss appropriation account, sundry assets. Okay, then further information is on 1st April 2018 Rajan introduced an additional capital of rupees 40,000. So 1st April first partner Rajan introduced additional capital of rupees 40,000. On 1st September 2018 Devan introduced rupees 30,000. Okay, So both partner introduced additional capital, okay, in various dates. Then drawings of Rajan and Devan during the year were 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 70,000. So this year profit is 70,000. Totally 70,000. Okay. Now calculate on interest on capital. Right. So answer is sum number 9, page number 114. First calculation of opening capital. Okay. Then as usual format, statement of affairs method, calculation of missing figure. Capital as on 31/12/2018. Okay, this is closing capital. So first partner Rajan is 1 lakh. Second partner Devan is 80,000. Okay, as usual format, add drawings 20,000 for first partner, 10,000 for second partner. So 1 lakh 20,000 here. Devan 90,000. Okay, less additional capital. So additional capital 40,000 for Rajan. Then 30,000 for Devan. Then adjusted amount is 80,000 for Rajan, 60,000 for Devan. Okay. Then less profit. Okay. So profit is this year total profit is 70,000. Already in a balance sheet appeared entered 40,000. Okay. So profit and loss appropriation account transfer. This profit is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account already 40,000. So 70,000 minus 40,000, remaining is 30,000. So this 30,000 only entered in this statement of missing figure and statement of calculation of opening capital. So this 30,000 shared in profit and loss ratio, that one is 2:1. Okay. So 2:1, 2 plus 1, 3, totally 3 shares. So remaining amount is 30,000. So 30,000 divided by 3. Okay, 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 into first partner share is 2. So 10,000 into 2, 20,000 for first partner profit. Okay, 20,000. So remaining 30,000 minus 20,000, remaining amount is 10,000, and already second partner share is 1. So 10,000 into 1. So 10,000 here. Okay, then adjusted amount is 60,000 for Rajan, then 50,000 for Devan. Okay, now interest on capital is Rajan 60,000 into 6 by 100. Okay, 3,600 here. Okay, now additional capital is 1/4/2018. Additional capital is 40,000. So this additional capital also carry a interest on capital. Okay, so 40,000 into rate of interest 6 by 100. The remaining 1st April to 31st December. Okay, so that one is carry a 9 months. So 9 by 12 amount is 1,800. So totally here totally 5,400. So 5,400 is the interest on capital for first partner Rajan's. Okay, then second partner amount is same method. So 50,000 into 6 by 100. Okay, 50,000 into 6 by 100. 50,000 into 6 by 100 amount is 3,000. Okay, add additional capital on 1/9/2018. Okay, so this additional capital rupees 30,000 into rate of interest 6%. So 6 by 100 into the remaining months is completed months is just 4. So 4 by 12. So that amount is 600. So already interest on capital on capital amount is 50,000, 3,000. Here is 600. So totally 3,600. Okay, the interest on capital first partner Rajan is 5,400. Then Devan is 3,600. Okay, this is the sum number 9. Okay, clear pa? Then sum number 10. Sum number 10. page number 115. Here is ask some conditions. They were given in some conditions. As per the calculation based on these conditions. Okay. See the sampa. Ahmad and Bashir contribute rupees 60,000 and 40,000 respectively as capital. So 60,000, 40,000 treated as a capital for Ahmad and Bashir. Their respective share of profit is 2:1. Okay, sharing profit ratio is 2:1, and the profit before interest on capital for the year is 5,000. Okay, so profit before interest on capital for the year is 5,000. So generally treated as a profit. Compute the amount of interest on capital in each of the following situations. Okay, so question is compute the amount of interest on capital in each of the following situation. Situation 1, if the partnership deed is silent as to the interest on capital. Okay, first condition, this situation partnership deed totally absent or silent. Okay, so interest on capital totally not allowed to any partners. Okay, clear pa? This is the conditions. Okay, so in case of partnership deed silent or absence, at the time the interest on capital not allowed to any partners. Okay, then second condition are situations, if interest on capital at 4% is allowed as per the partnership deed. 4% is allowed. Okay, at the time 4% is allowed. The interest on capital is Ahmad 60,000 into Ahmad opening capital is 60,000. So 60,000 into 4 by 100, 2,400. Then Basir opening capital is rupees 40,000. So 40,000 into 4 by 100, 1,100. Okay, right. If interest on capital is at 4% is allowed as per the partnership deed. The second situation answer is since there is sufficient profit. In case of the partnership firm get sufficient profit at the time. Okay, so at the time interest on capital will be provided. Interest on capital will be provided. Okay, so what type of amount? So Ahmad is 2,400, Basir is 1,600. Okay, then situation number 3, if the partnership deed allows interest on capital at 6% per annum. 6%. Okay, so 6% on 6% interest on capital. Ahmad is 60,000 into 6 by 100, so 3,600. Basir 40,000 into 6 by 100 rupees, 2,400. Okay, in case situation third, if the partnership deed allows interest on capital at 6% per annum. Okay, the answer is since the profit is insufficient. So interest on capital will not be provided. Sufficient, insufficient, at the time interest on capital will not be provided to all partners. Okay, in case of profit, at the time the already appeared in firm's profit, here is rupees 5,000. Okay, the profit of rupees 5,000 will be distributed to the partners in their capital ratio. So what is the ratio here? Capital ratio 2:1. Okay, clear pa? 3:2 or 3:2. Okay, right. So this is the answer of sum number 10. Okay, right. Thank you pa.